The Samsung 32-inch curved monitor 1920 by 1080p resolution is a decent monitor. I bought it at Walmart for $239. Yes, I did just recently learn that there is a 4K version of this screen for sale for $350. Had I known that, I would have gotten that one instead of this. But for my basic needs, this thing I think will probably do everything that I need it to do. I am upgrading from a 24-inch curved Samsung monitor, so having an extra 8 inches will be a great benefit to me. And I'm going to be taking it out of the box. I don't know what to expect. I've just been eyeballing this at the Walmart store for about 3 weeks. On the back, it has a VGA port, a headphone/speaker port, the power port, and also the HDMI port. HDMI is what I'm going to be using with this. My experience with curved screens is that I absolutely love them, and I prefer them more than flat screens. They immerse me more into whatever I'm doing. Let's get this thing set up and see if it works. And it works. I don't know exactly how to film screens like this because with any camera I use you see the individual pixels popping out, so doing a side view everything looks more clear, and we're just going to have to put up with it like this because if I film any closer you'll see the pixels and it looks very ugly. But to my eyes everything looks incredibly great, incredibly fresh, and smooth, and that's all I like when I have computer monitors. Playing Roller Coaster Tycoon and Grand Theft Auto 3, with this screen I feel like I'm right there, or at least sitting in a movie theater watching someone play these games, and I absolutely find it incredible. I never thought that I would love curved monitors as much as I do now. I would highly recommend buying one of these screens if you don't have one already.